Update to all our viewers. In today's episode, we'll see the Muhafiz collection, which you can wear in Mehndi occasion or the Mehndi ceremony. So we all know that festive season is still on. So many of you search for the different festivals dresses for different occasion. I mean, like Mehndi, Haldi, wedding, Sangeet, etc. Now let's begin with our first. This is our first design. You might have seen before in our last few episode, but we are just presenting in front of you so you can have a quick look on our special collection of different occasions. So this is it is actually fresh in color, but it's in video it's not coming that much fresh. This is a fabric georgette. It is fully embroidered, very beautiful, provided with the lining. This type of the stone we have given at the yoke, at the neck. See the finishing of the embroidery which is done all over the top. The bottom for this will be of sharara, garara. Gota lace is given at the bottom round of the sharara, provided with the chiffon dupatta. The size for this is XL. Price will be 4990. Now our next design for Mehndi ceremony. This is a Garara suit. This is a fabric of georgette. It is fully worked, thickly worked, and embroidery is done. Enhanced with the pearl at the neck. Cut work is done. Very fine fabric of georgette provided with the lining, and designer laces are provided at the daman of the top. This is actually a fresh pista color, but you can wear this on Mehndi ceremony. This is a grey fabric. Two color combination is used. It is a pista fabric along with the fresh grey fabric. The bottom for this will be garara of fabric georgette. Thickly work is done, stone work is done, sorry, and this type of the designer laces we have given at the bottom round of the garara, provided with the net 2.25 meter dupatta, enhanced with the tickly work, and the laces are given with this all around the four side of the top. The size for this is L, and price range will be of 7,500 only. Now our next design for Mehndi ceremony. If you are looking Indo-Western attire for Mehndi occasion, you can go with this gorgeous Indo-Western one-piece attire. It is very beautiful. The fabric for this will be of silk. It is actually bottle green color. Metal accessories are given, and you can tie this knot like this, and we have given this type of the puff from both the side, from this side and from this side also. It's very beautiful. Size will be double XL and price will be 3900. Hope you are enjoying our today's episode. Now let's see our next simple Mehndi color one piece gown. It's very beautiful, of a fabric silk. Two shades we have used. This is a powdered light powdered Mehndi color, and with the wet Mehndi color. Frill is given. This type of the embroidery is done, enhanced with the wooden buttons. neck will be, this type of the neck will be there. The size will be XL. Price range will be 2400. This is our mehndi color frock, or you may call it at one piece, enhanced with this latkans, provided with the crochet lace. Size will be XL. This type of frill is given, and price range will be of 2400. If you are looking for the comfortable mehndi attire, so you can go for this one piece gown. Hope you enjoyed our today's episode. So if you want to buy any product, kindly give us the screenshot which is mentioned in the description box. You can send us screenshot of the product on that number only. So stay tuned for our next upcoming episode. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.